You can see I've been calling for this for quite a while. All right, an ABC correction coming in on gold. All right, this is on the daily chart. If we go out to the weekly here, all right, you can see this thing triple topped, which is very bearish. Okay, failed to break through 20, roughly 2081. Hit it again here. Hit it a third time. All right, twice is enough. A double top, but a triple top is even worse. All right, so you can see this thing correcting. If we go out to monthly here, all right. Something I want to check here with this thing. Let's get that. Let's clean this up just a hair. Take a look at something here. Put a fib on this thing. Alright, it broke through. What I'm looking at here, guys, is the Fibonacci thing, the Fibonacci tool here. Alright, it broke through. It came back, kind of retested the 618. It's going to pull back down here. And this thing could give it another shot. Alright, let's take a look at a few things here first. Alright, the daily. Alright, the daily is collapsing right down. If we pull right over here, the low for the day, right here, 1826.36, and it keeps falling. All right, here we go again, 1826.46, 36 is the low, 45.59. Just playing around here a little bit, but it just keeps on collapsing down. If we go on the hourly, you can see it just keeps falling down here. Expected it to come down right about to the $1,805, $1,800 level. You know, if we take this measurement on this thing, all right, take the fib. And if you sign up for my trading classes, they're still $14.99. It's a level 3 membership. All right, when you sign up, there's like 15 videos in there now, over 6 hours. Look at it, 1825, still falling. Over 6 hours worth of content in there teaching you how to do this stuff. Okay, for 15 bucks, it's a steal. All right, it was 25. I dropped it to 15. I've been having a very good response at that area. You'll definitely get your $15 worth. You'll learn how to do stuff like this, like I'm doing. All right, what you do, you take the top of the A leg, bring it down to your top of your B. The A and the C leg are a 1-for-1 ratio. Normally, almost every time. All right, bring it down on top here. It's actually just a little bit lower target here. It's around $1,800, 1790s, somewhere in there. Okay, I see it looks like it's going to end up falling too. If we could go out on the weekly and look if that's any vital areas, you can see right here it was a major resistance area. Through here at numerous times it was support or resistance through here. So very good area for it to hit right here. Right about 1803, it was a very good support area. It could stop right there, somewhere down around 1,800 bucks. All right, then that will finish out the A, B, C. All right, then gold might give that another run up here. If you look at the RSIs, the weekly, this is the relative strength index. I used this and the Fibonacci tool. That's all I really need to trade, and trend lines, of course. But the weekly RSI is still heading down. All right, you got your monthly rolling over. The daily is at the bottom and oversold. Okay, so should get a bounce once it gets down here. The 12-hour is at the bottom. The 4-hour is approaching the bottom, and the 1-hour is coming down. Okay, so the weekly is obviously going to pull this down some more. It's down to 1824 now. It just keeps falling. You go on the. I can break this right down to the 1-minute chart. Pull this over, and there you go. Within the last minute, look at that drop. 1825 down to 1823. That's pretty big for 1 minute. All right, so yeah, you can see it. It's definitely heading towards our target area here. Another 25 bucks or so. and it should be down here. Looks like a long ways on this chart, don't it? Way up here, 1823. It's only $25 though, but it looks like a long ways down. All right, so watch for gold to continue down. Not financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor at all. Okay, that's not my job. That's not what I do. I just look at charts, and I've been doing this a long time, so I am fairly decent at it. Okay, I don't get every call right. Nobody does, but once you look at these so long, you have a fairly good idea what's going to go on here. All right, so I expect this to continue falling a little bit further. Still falling right now. So, all right, thank you very much, guys. Have a great night. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you very soon.